Okay, so here is our video for making videos for our classes. So the first thing that you are going to have to do is go to this website. So this is the website that I use along with Miss Barron. So Screencast-O-Matic, and you'll click on it. It is a free website, which is really nice. And there are two options here, so you can either log in or sign up for free. So obviously I can log in because I have done this a few times, but you can sign up for free, and the great thing is you can either use your Google to sign up or you can use your email address to sign up. Okay, so once you've done this, what's going to happen is going to take you to this screen. Okay, and so this screen shows you that I've logged in, and there's different options, right? Uploads. I have a free plan, so I can't really do anything extra on here. I also only have 15 minutes to really do anything on here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to hit the button Start Recorder, and what's going to happen is this screen is going to pop up. Okay, it's going to give you an option to record just the screen, record just the webcam, record both. You'll see green bars right here that appear, and so that way that'll tell you that you are recording. Computer audio, I think with the free plan you actually can't use the computer audio. And then you just click it on the screen that you want it to be on. As you are recording, I just took a screenshot of this, what's going to happen is you're going to see a timer, okay? So a timer right there. So it tells me that at 1:08 I took a screenshot out of 15. Again, it tells me that there's no sound coming, and you're going to see this lovely red and white screen. So what that is showing me is what's actually being shown to the computer, so to speak. Okay. Now, for me personally, what I like to use is I like to use a whiteboard app, and so what I would do is I would go to Google. So let me type in Google, and I downloaded this. So it's called the Whiteboard Notepad, right? So you click this website, which will take you to this. You'll download it, which is awesome, and out pops this. So it looks just like a whiteboard. You have different colors. You also have more colors, lime green, and all that wonderful good stuff. Different size pens. Text box if I want to. What's awesome is I could put graph paper if I wanted to graph on something, for polar graphing, for pre-calc, other paper. I'm not exactly sure why you would want an all black screen. But if you're using your iPad, then use the app that you usually use for the iPad. Add more pages, you click this button, okay? If you want to move a page up or down or delete a page, you click that button. What's great about this is you could also save it, and you can insert pictures and equations, things like that. In order to write on this, what I like to use is from Mizzy's. I have borrowed his tablet. So it's kind of like a Moby back in the day. So it kind of looks like this, where I just plug it into my computer with the pen, and then I can write all over my notepad. Usually I make the notepad as large as my screen, so now you can see my screen is huge, and then I usually move it over. So now you're technically only seeing the notepad instead of all the other random stuff. Okay. Once you are done with that, right, you are going to upload it, right? So if I come over here, I'm going to upload it. So I would press the pause button, and the pause button would allow me to basically be done, or I can let the 15 minutes go by. So let me just try to move this down to the other page. So I started creating a video earlier, wasn't very long, minute 23. And these are the options that are going to pop up. Save as a file, upload to screencast, or upload to YouTube. Since I already use YouTube a lot, I immediately press upload to YouTube all the time. When I upload it to YouTube, these options pop up for me. Right? It tells me what account I'm using, tells me how many recordings I've made. So my last one was 31, so technically I'm 32. You can change the privacy to either public or private. Private meaning that you'd have to have your own password, or you have to have the link to it in order to get to it. So that's up to you. And then you'd press publish. And then once you press publish, it takes another 10-15 minutes to upload. It will give you a link to upload, but if you have YouTube, so here is my YouTube channel, right? You can kind of see all the different videos that I have that I've made. You can tell that this is the whiteboard app that I've used. I also have an online calculator that I use. Old school, I used to hold a phone up and take my videos that way, right? So we're way past those days. But once you're done creating your videos, then when you upload them to Google Classroom, you can just type in the link that the Screencast-O-Matic gave you. And that is how to make videos for your channel. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.